Welcome JK&M Railroad. Thought I'd give you an update on the backyard railroad. This is where the tree fell. This area, everything looks really good. The snow is melting a lot more, which I'm very thankful for. You can see track down here now. And then that way. And go back this way. Got a lot more track. There we go. We're seeing more track. I'm loving it. Supposed to get more snow, more warm weather. I mean, Mother Nature, you know how she is. So slowly but surely, we're getting it's getting it's melting nice and slowly, but it's still melting. That's a good thing. Got a couple branches here, little twigs and stuff. It happens. So that's an update on the backyard railroad. Hopefully the snow will be melted here in the next week or so, and sorry about that. And I'll give you a better update. Like the video, comment, subscribe if you haven't. Have a good day.